pizza sauce at home, saute some garlic. I have used chopped garlic. You can also use garlic paste if you want. Now add in some tomato puree. Add in some red chili powder, 2 tablespoon ketchup, some salt as per your taste, oregano and chili flakes. Our pizza sauce is now ready. In pizza dough, add 1 cup flour or maida in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt. Now take 1 teaspoon sugar. And here I am using Eno as a rising agent. Add a little amount of water in it and immediately add this to our maida. Now mix all the ingredients very well and make a dough. At this stage, add 2 teaspoons oil and knead the dough again. Now our dough will look like this. I have made this dough for only one pizza. I have covered the bowl with a foiling wrap. Now let the dough rest for about 2 hours in a warm place. This plate as a base for my pizza. Dust some maida on the plate so that the dough will not stick to it. Now gently press the dough with hands and make it bigger, like paste. See, I have flattened the base with my fingers. Now apply pizza sauce to it. I have applied 4 teaspoon pizza sauce on it. Now sprinkle some grated cheese on it. After adding cheese, it's time for veggies. Add onions. Now add capsicums. Add some tomato slices. Now it's time to add some corn. Add some cheese cubes. At last, some grated cheese. Add some oregano, some chili flakes, and sprinkle some salt. Place it in Kadhai and bake it for 15 minutes. I have covered the pizza, let it bake for 15 minutes.